Okay, children, let's continue part 2. Next, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, here small a and small b. If small a and small b are two rational numbers, and a plus b by 2 is a rational number between them. Rational number between them. Okay. Here small a and small b, two rational numbers. Small a and small b, two rational numbers, and a plus b by 2 is a rational number between a and b. This is a plus b by 2 is also mean of the a plus b. Okay, so a plus b by 2 is exactly mid value of a and b. A is less than a plus b by 2 is less than b. Okay, a plus b by 2 is a between a and b rational number. Okay, first question, find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. It is used to mean method. Here a plus b is a rational number, between a and b. Same process, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 2 is a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, so here 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 LCM is 12. Next 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, all divided by 2. Okay, so 8 plus 9, 17 by 12, all divided by 2. So 17 by 12 into its reciprocal 1 by 2, that equals to 17 by 24. So 17 by 24 is a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, 17 by 24 is a rational number, between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, right. For example, you can write 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. We can write 100 rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. It is so difficult. So we can use another method, that is the second method. So this is used to method 2. Okay. From this method, first of all, each and we consider 5 by 10 is written as numerator and denominator multiplying with 10. So 50 by 100. Next 9 by 9 by 10 is also multiplying with 10. So 90 by 100. So 5 by 10, that equals to 50 by 100. Next 9 by 10 equals to 90 by 100. 9 by 10 written as 90 by 100. Here 5 by 10 written as 50 by 100. Between in these two rational numbers, we have to so many rational numbers are there. 51 by 100. Next 52 by 100. Next 53 by 100. Same way 89 by 100. We have to nearly 50 rational numbers are there. Next we consider 5 by 10 is written as 500 by 1000, and 9 by 10 also is written as 900 by 1000. So we can write between in these two rational numbers so many rational numbers. So first of all 5 by 10 equals to 500 by 1000. That equals to 501 by 1000. Next 502 by 1000 is less than 503 less than. Last number 900 by 1000. 900 by 1000 is equal to 9 by 10. So before number 899 by 1000, 898 by 1000. Between 5 by 10 and 9 by 10, we have to so many rational numbers are there. From this set of rational number, we can take 100 rational numbers. So finally 5 by 10 and 9 by 10 is a two rational numbers. Between in these two rational numbers, we can write infinity rational numbers. Okay. Next problem. Find the 12 rational numbers between minus 1 comma 2. First of all, minus 1 will be changed into the rational form, and 2 also change into the rational form. So first minus 1 is multiply with numerator and denominator with 12. So minus 1 is written as minus 12 by 12. Next 2. 2 is written as 6 by same denominator 12 by 12. So this is written as 2 into 12, 24. 1 into 2, 12, 12. Okay. Minus 1 is written as minus 12 by 12. Next to 2 is written as 24 by 12. Between in these two rational numbers, we have to so many numbers are there. First 1 is equals to minus 12 by 12. Okay. Is less than minus 11 by 12. is less than minus 10 by 12 is less than minus 9 by 12. Okay, last rational number 24 by 12. This is equal to 2. First rational number, this is equal to minus 1. Okay, so the set of all these rational numbers we can take. So here so many rational numbers are there between minus 1 and 2. So we can take 12 rational numbers. 12 rational we can take 12 rational numbers from above set. Okay, this is the between minus 1 to rational numbers. Minus 11 by 12, minus 10 by 12, minus 9 by 12, also 22 by 12, 23 by 12, 24 by 12. Okay, next representation of rational numbers on the number line. So for example, first problem 9 by 7 represent on the number line. First of all, draw a number line. On this number line, exactly midpoint is 0. Right side positive values, left side negative values. So here 0 to 1 unit, and left side also minus 1. Okay, each and every unit divided into the 7 equal parts. Each and every unit divided into the 7 equal parts. Here 1 and 2. Okay, this is the 0. 1 unit and 2 units. Left side also minus 1 and minus 2. So each and every unit divided into the 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, second unit will be also divided into the 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So first, this is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, okay, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. This is 7 by 7 means 1. Next 8 by 7, 9 by 7. So this is the 9 by 7 on the number line. 9 by 7 represent on number line. Okay. Next, second problem. Represent minus 2 by 13 plus 5 by 13 plus minus 9 by 13 on the number line. So first of all, draw a number line. On this number line, midpoint is 0. Each and every unit divided into the 13 equal parts. How many units? 13 equal. Each and every unit divided into the 13 equal parts. Here minus 1, here plus 1. 1 unit divided into the 13 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is minus 1. So first part 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13, 7 by 13, 8 by 13, 9 by 13, 10 by 13, 11 by 13, 12 by 13, 13 by 13 means 1. So next minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, so on. Okay. First of all, minus 2 by 13. Here, minus 2 by 13. Next to 5 by 13. Right side of the 0. This is 5 by 13. Next, left side. 1 by minus 1 by 13, minus 12 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 10 by 13, minus 11 by 13, minus 12 by 13, minus 13 by 13 means minus 1. So here minus 9 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 2 by 13, here minus 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13. Okay, thank you children. End of this class. Okay.